So let's look at one other transformation. So let's go ahead and get our Excel data. So this time around we're not going to select machines because we already have the machines data here. Let's go ahead and select that of the analysis data. Okay, so as I told you earlier on, Power BI is going to be running these steps for us, but we don't want it for now, so let's go ahead and take them out. Alright, so this is what is going to happen, and then you can see all these things here to be no because this is coming from Excel. Okay, so we have to find a way to take them out. Now you have to also be careful that we have some null values over here, and we are not going to totally remove all null elements. We are going to remove the null elements after the 13th index. Okay, because everything here, come on, it doesn't make sense over here. They were just empty spaces. So let's go ahead and click on this one, or okay, probably let's promote the first headers, or the first as headers. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on this one, use first row as headers, and that is all we have over here. Okay, so let's check this caret. All right, is the drop down, and then uncheck the now. Okay, then hit OK, and that is going to take care of the remaining. So you now have a fair idea of what we are going to do. Let's try to take care of the null values in here and then in here. Okay, so I'm going to work on just this one, and you have to be working on this one by yourself. Okay, let me go to add column and conditional column. I'm going to say that this is my new price. If the price is equal to now, then I'm going to push 0 in there. Otherwise I'm going to use this column, the price column. All right, okay, and you can see that the now over here is now replaced with this one. Okay, so let me remove this and drag this one back here, and so you can try and then work your way around this one. Thank you.